First of all, I peel the potatoes, and then I whip them to have the right amount. Then I prepare all the ingredients and I start grating the potatoes. Then I put them into a larger bowl. Then I split the onion and I cut it into small pieces. After this, I put the onion in the bowl with the potatoes. I put an egg. I put flour, more flour, salt, oil, milk, and finally pepper. We mixed everything and then I put oil into the pan. We heat and I put the mix into the pan in order to make them, and finally